It's 7:05.
What do you mean?
You don't know? Oh my god. Stop crying and listen to me. Look at the clock. In a clock, there are 3 hands. One is the hour hand, one is the minute hand, and last one is the second hand. When the hour hand and the minute hand at the 12, it is called 12 o'clock. Then after the 5 minutes, it is called 5 past. After 10 minutes, it is called 10 past. Like that it goes. When 15 minutes, it is quarter past. Then when 30 minutes is past, we call it half past. Then next comes the 25 to. That means 25 minutes are left to the next hour. Then 22, quarter to, and 10 to, 5 to, like that it goes on. Let's see with an example. It's 12 a.m. It is the midnight. And let's see an example. Now it is in the clock, it is 6 o'clock. After 5 minutes it will be 5 past 6. After 10 minutes it will be 10 past 6. Then after 15 minutes it will be quarter past 6. And after 30 minutes it will be half past. Like that it will be when it is 15 minutes. When 15 minutes is left to 7, we can say it is quarter to 7. And like that you can calculate the time.
Thank you, ma'am.